Hello and welcome back to our video. This problem, Jaime is preparing for a bicycle race and his goal is to bike an average of at least 280 miles per week. So his average needs to be at least 280, which means it has to be greater than 280 or equal to it. And it's for 4 weeks. We're told that he biked 240 miles, then he did 310, then he did 320. And the last week we were saying, okay, we're going to have the variable x, which is the number of miles he's doing on the 4th week. How many, this inequality is going to be fitted for x to see what values of x work for him to still meet his goal. So how would you calculate the average? Well, it's the total number of miles over the number of weeks. And this is greater than or equal to 280. And why is this? Well, you're basically splitting the total miles into each week evenly to find what the average is. So if you have 100 miles, it doesn't matter how you fit them, the average is going to be, if you have 10 weeks, 100 divided by 10, right? Which is 10, so the average is going to be 10. Same thing here. And for this, we know that the total miles, well, we know we have 280, then he did 240, then he did 310. So writing those out. And then plus x is going to be that 4th week. So this is the total miles in the 4 weeks. And the number of weeks is 4 over 280. And this is representative of the average where we could solve for x to find what is the minimum value of x to satisfy this equation. So this doesn't look anything, or it doesn't, not saying it doesn't look anything like, but this is not equal to any of our options. So we have to notice is that if we multiply both sides by 4, this 4 and this 4 cancel out. So we just have 280 plus 240 plus 310. Or sorry, 320 plus 240 plus 310. Sorry if I'm misspeaking. He did 280, then he did 240, then he did 310, then he did 320. I've been using this as one of the weeks, but it's 240, 310, 320, x. So these are all the values, plus x. But again, these cancel out and we get is greater than or equal to 4 times 280. You notice this is equivalent to d, which is going to be your final answer. Sorry about the confusion with counting 280 as one of the weeks, but just the total miles is going to be the 1st week plus the 2nd week plus the 3rd week plus the 4th week is x. Over 4 is equal to the average, and then you do a little manipulation to get it to look like one of our options, so you can say D is your final answer. Anyways, as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.